Hello, Maple administrators. This video covers adding a new version of Maple to your existing network license server. So start from faq.maplesoft.com, search for add new version. And the article describes there are 3 steps. Step 1 is upgrade Maple network tools if necessary. Now in this video, we're adding Maple 2022 to a server that was installed in 2021. And you're going to find with most years, since this is so easy, you're doing it every year, that you don't need to upgrade Maple network tools, but the instructions are here. Step 2 is to generate a new license file. We do that from the Maple network tools directory, C program files, Maple network tools. In the activate folder, there's activation.exe. Run that. And find your purchase code that was emailed shortly after the new version of Maple was released. It's the network purchase code. Paste it in here. This is the host ID you leave as the automatically detected value. The server name is usually the device name. So find that using your favorite method, such as settings, about. Click next. And fill in your details here. Number of licenses to activate. And consent to the collection of information. Next. And activation is successful, which creates a new Maple 2022.lic file in the activate directory. One thing you want to be sure of, if you opened a special port on your firewall for last year's version by adding port equals some number, you want to make sure you copy that over into this year's version too. Maple 2022, paste that in the same place after vendor Maple LMG, and save it here. Next, you want to make sure you put this license file in the place where the server is looking for them, which you can confirm in LM tools. In the config services tab, the path to the license file on this server is C:license files. So we'll go to C:license files and move the new license file into there. Now, because Maple 2022 includes the previous 2 versions, you want to be sure to remove any conflicting license files. So Maple 2021 we no longer need. Just remove that. And that's it for step 2. Step 3 is to restart the license server. So back in LM tools, go to the Start, Stop, Reread tab. And you force the server to shut down and click Stop. You usually just see stopping server here. But using Windows services, you can check the status. Search for the server's name, FlexLM Service 1, and you can help it stop by stopping here. Okay, it says stopped. Back in LM tools, we can now click Start. And just to confirm, we check the debug log, which in this server is c:/debuglog.txt. Go to C debuglog.txt, and we see that the server started. It's consisting of Maple 2022, 2021, and 2020, even though we deleted that 2021 file. And it's listening on port 12345, which is exactly as we asked. Now, of course, the LMGRD port is still 27,000. So make sure that both of those ports are open on the network and the server has started. Your clients are ready to connect to it. And that's all there is to it.